to my channel. So in today's video I am doing a clean with me and a mini meal prep. So my dad had to have knee replacement surgery, so my parents ended up staying the weekend at my house while my mom ended up staying the weekend at my house while my dad was in the hospital. And so all these dishes that are sitting on my countertops, they are actually clean. My mom likes to hand wash her dishes instead of using the dishwasher. So I told her to leave them there and I would just put them up. And since I was already going to put them up, I decided to go ahead and just do a quick video for you guys. So right now I'm just putting up everything. I'm putting up all the containers and just pretty much clear off my working space so I can actually get ready to meal prep.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
So I also wanted to show you the groceries that I had to go pick up as well. So I'm just going to take them out the bag and then I'm going to tell you just the things that I bought and everything. So right quickly, I wanted to just show you the things that I bought from Walmart. It's not that much, it's just 3 things. But this coffee creamer is the best coffee creamer I've ever had. It's the sweet cream from Cold Stone, and oh my gosh, y'all, if you have not tried it, you have to try the sweet cream from Cold Stone. It's so good. And I just needed some eggs and a salad because I plan on having this for lunch every day this week. So I wanted to go pick that up, and the eggs are for my salad as well. I like to put boiled eggs in my salad. So now that I have all my dishes put away, I wanted to go ahead and clean my counters up so I can have a clean space for whenever I start meal prepping.
It's still on caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should
showing you this is because I cut them in half just so the use of it can last twice as long, because honestly you don't need the entire thing to do dishes. This is just a great way to save money as well.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. Don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see.
Okay, so my couch or my chair is sitting this way because, again, my dad had knee replacement surgery, and the chair usually sits on that empty spot over there, and I wanted him to be able to be comfortable watching TV, so I told him that I would move that chair right in front of the TV so he has somewhere to put his leg and that he can be just relaxed. So I wanted to go ahead and put that back where it was supposed to go, just so I could go ahead and have that living room straightened up. And this is me also telling Cooper to move because he was standing behind the chair and I didn't want him to get stuck back there. So I'm like telling Cooper, I'm calling out his name, Cooper, come on, Cooper. And of course he just does his own thing.
Human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human.
started on meal prepping, and I'm going to use my salad. I know I always say that things are just so good, but y'all, this truly was the best salad I've ever made in my life. And I'm going to continue to make my salads this way because, oh my gosh, so good.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner.
Now I'm just going to prepare my grapes for the week, and I needed to take them out of this container and also take them off the vine. I showed a video on like different tips, and I will actually link that video down below and up top so you can be able to watch that video. But it was mainly about taking your grapes off the vine and also putting them in a plastic bag with a paper towel. It makes them last longer, and I have truly found out that this works. I had some grapes in my refrigerator for like 3 weeks and they still did not mold up, but of course they were old, so I just went ahead and threw them away. But they lasted for so long, I probably could have continued to eat them.
That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yes, I'm the winner, yeah. I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if
sink again because I like to have a clean sink before I go to bed. And but overall, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. And also, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will see y'all next time. Bye!